The result of the interview held on 8 August 2024 in the Department of Microbiology, Neigrihms, Shillong for election of candidates on contractual basis in the Department of Microbiology, Neigrihms, Shillong. Degi candidate ki balasha select ki balek interview namta kane ka post ke badai namta kane ka project Pan India surveillance for respiratory viruses through DHR ICMR VRDL network. Te ki basha select long select the candidate. Name of the candidate Happy Dasara Pingrup, post project technical support 3, the waiting list dan arngut langatiu moyong but P ban bet patau. Result is provisional and subject to verification. Dalam verification ada kiwan men verify, teglayo ada kiwan kenyo gi waiting list. Appointment kelong purely contractual basis kembal ada pong. The offer letter of appointment may be collected from the office of the Department of Microbiology within 7 working days from the date of declaration of the result. News ni kihaban lek shim ya ka. Hapo ka news ni haban lek shim ya ka. Offer letter napo ka office ini kibalayo. Tanggi ni higi jepitip kulesibun.